everybody, it's Sarah from Drive the Lightning. I am here today because I was trying to get in my 2016 Nissan Leaf, and normally when I have my key fob with me, I just have to tap on the little metal finger pad that's on the door handle. And it normally, if I tap it once, it unlocks that door. If I tap it twice, it unlocks everything in the car. It's great, wonderful little feature that I have been really enjoying. I think a lot of cars have that technology now, but my Nissan Leaf made me look like a fool because I'm touching this little pad and nothing is happening. So finally I come to realize, oh, the reason why is because the battery in my key fob clearly needs to be changed. So I am going to take control of the situation and I'm going to change my key fob. And since I tried to do it before and I didn't know how, I thought it would be nice if you didn't have to go through that step, and instead you could just watch me do it so that you can follow along with me. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to replace my battery in my 2016 Nissan Leaf key fob. First, I have my replacement battery all ready to go. That is the CR2032, and that is the battery that should be in here and currently is in here but not alive anymore. So number one thing we're going to do is we're going to release this little button here, which is a release button. And oh, what is that? Whoa. Da, da, da. This is the kind of car keys I had when I started driving in the 80s. There you go. Little car key, old fashioned. Look, it's still on my key ring, so that's handy. I won't have to reassemble everything all together when I get done. So now we have to get this chunk apart so that we can get to the battery inside there. So I have my handy dandy little tool, which is a teeny tiny screwdriver. And then you will see that there is a little tiny ridge right here, a little opening, barely wider around the seam. And by sticking my screwdriver into that and twisting slightly, you're going to hear a little pop. There it is. And now it's slightly open, and we're going to use that opening to open it the rest of the way. We're going to try. We're going to crack it a little bit further. We are going to get this open. See, it's coming along a little bit at a time. And I'm going to keep using my little screwdriver going along there. It's open! So now that it's open, one key important piece of information I'm going to make note of is that the little dotty side of my battery is the one that is face up, so that I don't put in the battery upside down and still feel like a fool when I try to open my car, because that would be embarrassing. So I'm going to flip my new battery the correct way. I'm going to pull the old battery out. Old battery just pops right out. Set that aside. New battery pops right in where the old one went. Fantastic. And that is how I do that. So this really complicated procedure to put this back together, you just snap it back in place like a puzzle piece, and you can hear it clipping all back together. Da-da-da-da. Boom. Key fob returned, restored. Secret, super secret key. Did you know it had a secret key? How fun is that? Boom. Now my key fob is reassembled, ready to go. My car will not be foolish to me anymore, and I will be able to lock and unlock my car remotely like I used to be able to. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. If you want to learn more about buying a used Nissan Leaf, then check out the video here over my shoulder, and then let's put something up fun over here on this side. You want to learn a little bit about the BMW i3. That is another EV that is in our car. When my mother-in-law's battery goes dead in her key fob, we'll show you how to change that one too. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, if it helped you at all, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would subscribe, that helps us out a lot too. Thank you.